Students, in this video we are going to study about this simple path and simple circuit. Okay, in previous video we have seen about path and circuit, so here we will be discussing about simple path. Okay, so what is simple path? Simple path is the path which does not repeat the edge, that is edges not repeated, not repeated, and vertex is also not repeated, vertices not repeated. Okay, so both of them should not be repeated. Okay, we should have only one edge at once and vertex only once in your path, then only you can call it as a simple path. Now consider you start from A, okay, and you go A to B, B to C, sorry, B to E, E to D, D to B, and B to C. Okay, so this is your sequence like A, B, E, D, C, E, D, B, C. Okay, so I will write here the path A to B, B to E, E to D, D to B, and B to C. So now see, it is a path, but it is not a simple path. It is not simple path. Okay, why? Why not simple path? Because the vertex B is repeated here. Here also vertex B, and here also vertex B. So this is can be called as a path, but it is not a simple path. Okay. So what can be the simple path? Simple path is a path which does not repeat neither edge nor vertex. Now suppose we trace one more path, like suppose I start from again the vertex A, going to E, then B, then D, and C. Okay, so this is a simple path. Okay, which path I have traced? A, then E, B, D, and C. So here no repetition of edge, no repetition of vertex, so it is called as simple path. Okay, simple path, right? Simple path is a path where vertices also not repeated or edges also not repeated. Okay, now suppose you are not repeating the edge, but you are not repeating with the vertex only, but edge is repeated, then also it is not a simple path. Like suppose if I start from A, going to E, then going to B, D, okay, then C, coming here, and from here suppose we go to the E. Okay, so which path we have traced, I will give the arrow A to E, E to B, then B to D, D to C, C to B, and again B to E. Okay, so this is a path, but it is not simple path. So which path we have traced? A to E, then A to B, B to D, D to C, C to B, and B to E. So why it is not simple? So this path is not simple path. Why? Because the edge BE is repeated here. Edge BE is repeated. You can see here EB and here BE. So both of these means there is a repetition of edge. So it is not a simple path. Okay. Now coming to the circuit. So circuit definition, we already know that a path which begins and ends at the same vertex is called as a circuit. So simple path is what? Which is not repeating any edge nor the vertex. The definition is same. Now suppose I start from A, go to B, then from B if I go to E, and again coming back to A. Okay, so this is a simple circuit. A, B, E, it is a simple circuit. Why? Because here there is no repetition of edge nor the repetition of vertex. Okay, so the path will be like this: A, B, E, A. Okay, this will be repeated because starting and end point should be same. Now suppose we trace a different path, like suppose if I start from A, let's say you're starting from vertex A, okay, then going to B, A, B, then going to C, then going to D, then D to B, okay, and B to again you are going to A. So this is not a, so if simple circuit, even though it is a circuit A, B, D, C, B, A, see it is starting and ending at the same vertex, but it is not simple circuit. Why? Because the AB edge is repeated. Okay, AB edge is repeated, so it is not a simple circuit. One more example, you can see, suppose, okay, if you start from A going to E, from E to B you are going, then you are going to D, then from D you are going to C, C again you are going to B, and from B you are coming back to A. Okay, now see the sequences like this: A, E, then B, D, C, B, and A. So we are started at the A and we are ending at the A. So even though this is a circuit, but it is not simple circuit. Not simple circuit, because here we have repeated the vertex B. We have traced this vertex B twice, and twice tracing of vertex is not allowed. Where we have traced C, first time vertex B is traced here, second time is traced here. So this is not a simple circuit. So remember, in simple path and simple circuit there should not be repetition of an edge nor the repetition of vertex. Okay, thank you all. I hope you understood this.